The UAE has introduced a new R&D tax credit, a direct reduction of the tax due, calculated at tiered rates of 15, 35 or 50%, with a maximum effective credit of 2 million dirhams per tax period. But not every improvement qualifies. The activity must be genuinely novel, creative, uncertain, systematic and reproducible. Eligible businesses may include UAE companies subject to corporate tax or top-up tax, foreign entities with a UAE permanent establishment, and certain free zone businesses under specific conditions. The key point is this: the credit is not automatic. A strong claim requires pre-approval, qualifying expenditure, R&D staff, audited financial statements, and documented technical and financial evidence as the project progresses. So if your business is investing in innovation, start early. Build the documentation as you go, because with the R&D tax credit, the tax benefit follows the evidence.